Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tita Ching Kitchen. Today's video, guys, I'm too excited. I'm not going to cook. Instead, I am going to introduce to you my newfound body in organizing my kitchen. As you can see, look at them. I'm going to organize my spices rack for today. But before that, I am going to introduce to you my newfound body, HPRT T20 label printer. It's very handy. You can take it anywhere, everywhere you go. And not only that, it is very easy to use. Friendly user, this product, guys. All you have to do is to scan this code and it will take you straight away to the app and follow the instructions. Guys, so please check the description box below of this video because I will be providing the link where you can buy this product. And of course, I will also providing you a special code to avail a 10% discount. All right, so what are you waiting for? Go on and order your new body in organizing your kitchen. Now let's do this. I know. Okay, so last night I already prepared, yeah, all the labels that I need. Okay, so I'll go first with this cumin. It's very important to be organized if you are cooking. Nice and neat. Nice and neat, isn't it? Yes. Okay, put that there. Where's my nutmeg? Cumin ground pepper. I have as well cumin seeds. There we go. It's there. Nice. There you go. What? Next one is nutmeg. There. Because it used to be, I'll just cut it the label and then like that, but it's not very, it's sore in the eyes. So unlike that, if you do like that, it's very easy to spot as well rather than this. So this is a nutmeg ground. It needs to be there. It makes my life easy by having this label, guys. And it's not only for the kitchen. You can use any project that you have in mind. So like maybe like doing your children, scrapbooks. Yeah, I think that's a good one as well to use. So I'll have this cardamom. Yeah. Cardamom. Oh, lovely. There. Looking good already. I'm just admiring now my spices. Love it. And next, so like that, we need to grab a space. Next one, caraway seeds. Do I have a caraway seeds here? Yes. caraway seeds. Yes, there we go. Lovely. Next is the cloves. Because of this new body of mine, I am more now inspired to, oh, I need to be more, oh dear, I need to be more, uh, cloves. And next is coriander leaf. And I think you can still make your own sticker, like for example, for your birthday cards, Christmas cards, or any cards, and then make it as a sealant, personalized sticker, isn't it? Just to seal your cards, the envelope of your cards. I think that's one good thing as well to use for this uh, HPRT label printer. And chili flakes. Wow. I'm just glad that I found this product. Make my life so easy, easier really. No more messy handwriting. There. So, there. And what else? Rosemary. We're nearly there. Rosemary. There. Next one is basil. Hmm. It's, I need to remove this because better if we just use the label that I made. Basil. Oregano. It's nice as well because they are all nicely printed, you know. And even if I am far, I can see because the printing is, you have the choices. How big is the font? How big is the, you know, um, the size of your font? You can adjust, you know. Garlic. This is the garlic granules. Garlic granules. Yes, that's it. Right. Now I need to place them in my cupboard. So I'll take now my shelf organizer. Put there. Put our there. Cumin. Cardamoms. Nutmeg. Put that next to it. Make sure that you see in there. Yeah, so in one, just one look, you know it already where they are. Then there. Yeah, I'm happier for that. Now I'll show you. Right, so there we go, guys. I think I am very happy. See, you can see them straight away what you're looking for. Yes. So thank you ever so much for the HPRT T20 label printer. You made my life easier. It made my life easier in organizing my kitchen, especially my spices rack. Hey, thank you, HPRT T20 label printer, for helping me organizing my cupboards. Yes, and so what you waiting for, guys? Please check the link or click the link on the description box below, and it will take you straight away where to buy this um, beautiful product. And don't forget that you have as well a 10% discount when you by simply using the code that I will provide as well in this link. And yes, it this is nice, a gorgeous present to your loved ones, to your aunties, to your mommies, to your mothers, as a birthday gifts or any occasion. This is very flexible gifts because it's handy and very useful as well for an any project that you wanted to organize. So guys, thank you for watching and see you again in my next video. Bye bye.